Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. So we're right in the middle of Halfway Tree. We have the transport center on the left, then we're gonna make the right turn here. So where we're heading is on Molynes Road. So I'm in the area, so as usual, just bringing you guys along with me, so you guys can, you know, get a drive out as well. So grab a seat and let's enjoy the drive. So today is a no movement day, as we'd call it, or a all-day curfew. I'm an essential worker, so you know I'm permitted to be on the road. So I'm in the area. I am already going where I'm going, so I'm saying, hey, why not bring you guys along with me? So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. And again, we're driving from Halfway Tree and we're gonna go on to Molynes Road. So that's what we're driving today. Remember to leave your comments, remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. So we're at the intersection for Maxfield and Agley Park and Eastwood Park Road. And then from here we'll filter onto Molynes. Park continues down, so we'll take the left onto Molynes Road. So most business places are closed, a few gas stations are open, most pharmacies are open, most medical offices and doctors' offices are also open as well. Fast food outlets are also open, like Domino's Pizza, KFC, but most of them is only doing delivery. So you'll see a lot of bikes on the road, a lot of bikes that are attached to delivery companies, so you can order online and they deliver to you, but they're not really taking any walk-in customers like that. on Molynes Road, and again, this is not a political channel, but what do you guys think about the no movement days, the all-day curfews? You guys think it's helping to curb the the increase in COVID cases and COVID deaths? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, so we're almost at the intersection of Molynes and Washington Boulevard, so I'll be ending the video soon. But such a difference when it comes to traffic and the amount of vehicle on the road, the amount of cars on the road. It's a huge difference. Most of the places that would be full of traffic, it's basically smooth sailing. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about the no movement days, the all-day curfew days, in an effort to curtail spread of the coronavirus. Let me know your thoughts. So thanks for watching, and I'll definitely see you on another video.